If you've ever woken up to find a warm, furry presence perched on your head like a fluffy hat, you're not alone. Many cat owners experience this peculiar habit, and while it might seem strange at first, there are actually several logical reasons behind it. Cats have a way of doing things that seem mysterious or even amusing to humans, but their behaviors are often rooted in instincts, comfort, and a deep bond with their owners. Sleeping on your head is no exception. While it may feel like your cat is simply claiming the best spot in the bed, there's a whole world of feline reasoning behind this behavior. One of the most obvious reasons why cats choose to sleep on their owner's head is warmth. Cats are heat seekers by nature, always searching for the coziest, warmest spots to curl up. The human body naturally radiates heat, but not all areas are created equal. The head, in particular, tends to stay warm throughout the night, as a lot of body heat escapes through it. This makes it an ideal location for a cat looking to stay toasty while sleeping. If you've ever noticed that your cat also loves sunbathing in a warm patch of sunlight or snuggling near a heater, then you'll understand why your head becomes a prime sleeping location, especially in colder months. Another important factor is security. While cats might act like independent creatures, they are still driven by survival instincts. When choosing a place to sleep, they instinctively seek out locations where they feel safe and protected. Sleeping next to or on top of their human provides them with a sense of security. Your head is often the most stable part of the bed, moving less frequently than your arms, legs, or torso. If your cat has ever been accidentally kicked or nudged while sleeping near your feet, it may have learned that the head is a much safer place to rest. By choosing this spot, they are ensuring that they can sleep undisturbed while still being close to you. Scent plays another crucial role in this behavior. Cats have an incredibly strong sense of smell, and they use it to recognize and feel connected to their surroundings. Your head, particularly your hair, carries your unique scent more strongly than other parts of your body. Since cats are territorial creatures, they may choose to sleep on your head as a way of marking you as part of their territory. By rubbing against your hair or sleeping close to your face, they are mixing their scent with yours, reinforcing their bond with you. In the feline world, scent is a powerful way of claiming something, or someone, as their own. In addition to warmth and scent, comfort is a huge factor. Believe it or not, your pillow may be one of the most comfortable places in the house from your cat's perspective. Soft, slightly elevated, and free from disturbances, it provides a perfect sleeping surface. Some cats also love the texture of human hair, finding it comforting to knead or nuzzle into. If your cat enjoys making biscuits before settling down, they might prefer the softness of your pillow or hair over a regular blanket or cat bed. Beyond physical comfort, there's also an emotional component. Cats form deep bonds with their owners, even if they don't always show it in obvious ways. Sleeping near your head is a sign of trust and affection. In the wild, cats sleep close to those they trust the most, often curling up together for warmth and security. If your cat chooses to sleep on your head, it's their way of saying that they feel completely safe with you. It's one of the highest forms of feline trust, as sleeping is when they are most vulnerable. This is why some cats will also curl up on their owner's chest, snuggle under their chin, or burrow into their neck. It's all about feeling close and protected. Some cats may also be drawn to their owner's head due to sound and rhythm. Your breathing and heartbeat create a soothing white noise effect that cats find comforting. Since they have sensitive hearing, they may prefer the gentle sounds of breathing near your face rather than the shifting, rustling noises of a moving body under the blankets. Some cats even purr in response to their owner's breathing, as the steady rhythm helps them relax. This could explain why some cats specifically snuggle close to their owner's mouth or nose, as the warmth and rhythmic breathing mimic the soothing sensations of being with their mother as a kitten. Interestingly, this behavior can also be traced back to kittenhood. Kittens spend the first weeks of their lives curled up with their mother and siblings, often nuzzling close to their mother's face. This early experience of warmth, comfort, and security leaves a lasting imprint. Many cats carry these kitten-like tendencies into adulthood, finding the closest thing to that same warmth and protection, your head. If your cat was separated from its mother too early or has a particularly strong attachment to you, this behavior may be even more pronounced. There's also the simple explanation that your cat is trying to be in charge. Cats have a way of positioning themselves in the most dominant or central spot in any given space. If you've ever noticed that your cat likes to sit in the middle of whatever you're doing, whether it's a book you're reading, a laptop keyboard, or even the exact center of the bed, it's not a coincidence. They enjoy claiming prime real estate. Your pillow, being the topmost spot in the bed, may just be the most desirable location in their eyes. By sleeping there, they are asserting a subtle form of dominance, making it clear that they have the best seat in the house. For some cat owners, having a cat sleep on their head is an adorable and welcome experience. For others, it can be disruptive, especially if your cat likes to knead, purr loudly, or wrap themselves around your face like a furry sleep mask. If you're trying to encourage your cat to sleep somewhere else, the key is to make another sleeping area more appealing. A heated cat bed, a cozy blanket, or even a small pillow placed near your own may tempt them away from your head. Gradually encouraging them to sleep in a designated space can help shift the habit while still allowing them to feel close to you. While not all cats exhibit this behavior, those that do are often deeply attached to their owners. Whether it's for warmth, comfort, security, or scent marking, sleeping on a human's head is just another one of those fascinating quirks that make cats so unique. If your cat is one of the many who insist on claiming your pillow, take it as a compliment. They feel safe, loved, and completely at home with you. So the next time you wake up with a cat-shaped hat, just remember that it's their way of showing affection in the most cat-like way possible.